I'm like legitimately lost. I am trying to find my way out of this stupid mall. What's up, y'all? Yo, today I'm gonna go out and do some shit. What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna go out and do some guerrilla whooping with the HDzero whoops. It's this mall that I've been meaning to go and check out, but yeah, today is the day. So I'm just gonna go. I think I gotta get gas. I don't know. I guess I'll find out when I get in my car. But I'm gonna go to the mall and see what I can find and do a little ripping around with the HDzero whoops. So, fuck yeah, let's go. Alright, gassed up, got a drink, and gonna go to the mall now. Hell yeah. Alright, we're here. I have no idea what to expect, so I'm just gonna try to get as much stuff in my pockets as I can. I already got my radio in my pocket. See that? Maybe not, but yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do this for, so here we go. I haven't been in an actual real mall in so long, like one that's functioning, mostly functioning. Hopefully I can find a nice chill little spot to rip around. I think this might be it right here, but we'll see. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. That's cursed as fuck. I'm looking for good spots to chill. I just gotta pick one, I guess. I'm just gonna go right up here and do it up. Drill hoop. Well, that was fun. Tiny whoopin'. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Hell yeah. Alright, bye. I gotta remember how to get out of this mall. I don't remember, actually. Not there. I'm like legitimately lost. I'm trying to find my way out of this stupid mall. Well, at least it's a nice day out. I'll just go for a little walk. I'll just go for a little walk around the side. I don't know. I'm on the wrong side. I don't know. Or that's why I don't go to malls very often. Clearly, I was instantly lost. But I found my way. I found my way back. Here's my beautiful car.